Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Netflix. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Netflix and you'll enter. So here Netflix like this. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.